Imagine you're at a birthday party and suddenly, you get the hiccups. No big deal, right? But what if they never stopped? You go to blow out your candles, and spit frosting everywhere. You try to open presents, and a toy flies across the room. Okay, don't worry. Hiccups don't last forever. But what are they really? Let's go inside your body and find out. Down below your lungs is a big, stretchy muscle called the diaphragm. It's like a trampoline for your lungs. It moves up and down to help you breathe in and out. But sometimes the diaphragm gets a little confused. Maybe you ate too fast, drank something super fizzy, or got really excited, and suddenly your diaphragm goes SPROING and pulls down really fast. That makes you suck in air super quick, and your vocal cords snap shut. That's the sound you hear. Scientists think hiccups are just your body's way of reacting to a surprise or irritation. They usually go away on their own, but people try all kinds of silly tricks, like holding your breath, drinking water upside down, or even getting scared by a rubber chicken. All of those are just ways to try and calm your diaphragm down. So if you ever get the hiccups, just imagine your diaphragm down there doing a goofy dance until it settles down. And remember, if hiccups did last forever, you'd be the world champion of funny noises. Just don't try to sing the alphabet like that. And that's it for today's big question, friends. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Bye-bye for now.